1 week before Google unveils the Pixel 11, its own app just leaked the answer to the question everyone's been asking. Not through a rumor. Not through a leaker. Through Google's own code. And what it reveals might change how excited you are for the phone's headline feature. We're 7 days from Google's August 12th event, and at this point almost nothing about the Pixel 11 is still a secret. The design has leaked. The cameras have leaked. Even the price has leaked. But one feature has stayed mostly hidden, the one Google has been teasing hardest. It's called Highlight. And until now, nobody outside Google knew exactly what it does. That just changed. According to 9 to 5 Google, the answer was sitting inside version 4.85 of the Google Contacts app the whole time. Buried in the code is a feature Google never meant for us to see yet, under the internal name Glow. And what it does is surprisingly simple. It lets you assign a glow color to your favorite contacts. So when someone important calls you, the back of your Pixel 11 lights up in the color you picked for them. The leaked code lists 9 colors total: blue, cyan, green, orange, pink, purple, teal, white, and yellow. That's a lot of options. But notice what's missing. No custom colors, no patterns, no animations. Just 9 fixed choices. The code also confirms something leakers had already suspected. Highlight isn't only for calls. When your Pixel 11 is lying face down and Gemini is actively listening or working, that same light glows to let you know, without you ever flipping the phone over. That part is genuinely clever. It solves a real problem. But here's where it gets complicated. Google has spent months building hype around Highlight, treating it like one of the Pixel 11's signature features. And what the leak shows is a notification light with 9 preset colors. In 2026, on a phone competing with Samsung and Apple's most advanced hardware, that's not nothing. But it's not exactly groundbreaking either. So here's the real question nobody's asked yet. Is this leak showing us the finished feature, or just the version Google hasn't finished building? Because if Google wanted Highlight to actually matter, the blueprint is obvious. Custom patterns per app, unique animations for different people, lighting synced to music, charging, timers, even smart home alerts. That's the version of Highlight people would actually use every single day. Right now, the leaked code doesn't show any of that. Which means either Google is holding it back for the stage on August 12th, or what we're seeing really is the whole feature. Either way, Google has 1 week left to prove that Highlight is more than a light. So when the Pixel 11 finally takes the stage, watch that moment closely, because it'll tell you whether Google just built its next signature feature, or its next forgotten one. What do you think? Is Highlight genuinely exciting, or already a missed opportunity? Drop your take in the comments. And if you want to be there the moment Google confirms it on August 12th, subscribe now. This channel will have it covered first.